LayerEdge will be listed on Binance on June 2nd. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do it to like, subscribe, and more importantly, do it to join our Telegram channel. If you are not in that Telegram channel, you are missing out on very important update that can eventually change your life. So check the link in the description and comment section of this video and join our Telegram channel. So it's totally and completely official now that LayerEdge will be listed or listing on Binance. You get the point? So if you look at the official announcement, it said LayerEdge is officially coming to Binance Alpha. Mark your calendar for 2nd of June. And if you look at the message that Binance themselves posted, it said, get ready. Binance Alpha will be the first platform to feature LayerEdge. Trading will open, you can see, June 2nd with the exact time to be. And I said eligible user need to use Binance Alpha points to actually claim their token. So it's just few days remaining. And for those of you asking question, okay, are they listing on Binance? So let me show you the Binance. So this is my Binance account. If you look here, you are going to see Alpha here. So if you click on Alpha, you can see trading actually takes place here on Binance Alpha. You get the point? So we are hoping that other exchange will be announced soon. Then for those of you asking when are you going to be checking your token allocation and claiming, let's look at the message they actually posted to their community. So if you look at here, you will discover that if you look at the later part of this message, you can see from here, they said Airdrop checker will go live on 31st May. That's tomorrow. You get the point? So tomorrow we'll be able to check our Airdrop allocation and consequently probably we'll be able to claim our token. So keep you updated, most especially in our Telegram channel. That's the first-hand information will actually be posted there. So check the link in the description, comment section of this video, and join our Telegram channel. So since Binance is involved, we are hoping and believing that LayerEdge will actually cook. So let's be hopeful. See you at the top.